Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you what is interesting about our panel. What is interesting about our panel is while the Congress party has been giving sound bites on the issue, they are saying they are not going to participate in a debate. What is also interesting is that the TMC has kept very quiet about this entire issue. Having told our viewers all of that, let me begin with Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP. Charu Pragya, the charge against you essentially is this. The charge against Shoyendu Adhikari's BJP government in West Bengal is essentially this, that you are making Vande Matram a loyalty test for Muslims. Nahi gaoge, then you're not patriotic.
Shreya, good evening. See, this debate of Vande Matram has been conducted many times over. And I want to stress on one thing. The most important thing is that what is the entire song about? Vande Matram is about paying homage to your motherland, to Mother India, to the land that you are born and nurtured in. So I really don't know why it is always looked upon from a lens of communalism by all these opposition parties. And I say all these opposition parties because their level of appeasement politics has fallen to such a low that even our Rashtragan, which is about hailing our motherland, looks communal to them. Another thing is that shouldn't education be imparted equally in whichever place it is imparting it in our country? So if there is one rule for a school, why should it be very different from a madrasa? Educational institutions are for other minority communities as well. So they have not complained. Have you ever heard that a Jain school is complaining about singing Vande Matram, or a Sikh institution or a Christian institution has a problem with it? It is usually concentrated in areas where the opposition political parties are trying to use Muslims as their vote bank and nothing else. So today, if we are saying, and Uttar Pradesh also it happened, right? A syllabus was made standardized for every single school, including madrasas, because education is being imparted there. Okay. So why can we not have uniformity across the country for several things? And I think this is a great step by the West Bengal Chief Minister. Thank you for it.
Uniformity is the logic that the West Bengal government is also giving. They are saying if Santhal medium schools have no problem in singing the Vande Matram, why should any madrasa have a problem? But then Santhal Santhal schools are not the same as madrasas, right? And you asked me, can we just put that graphic back? Because Charu spoke about...
the Muslim angle actually goes for a toss, Shreya.
Ek minute, Charu. You asked me, what is it that the Vande Matram actually means? It means bowing your head, bowing your head to the motherland, all right. But it also, the 6 stanzas, if you look at the 6 stanzas, they also say to the mother, you are Lakshmi, you are Saraswati, you are Durga. The argument that the Khilafat committee is making or the opposition is making is that Islam prohibits you from, bowing your head in front of anyone apart from Allah. That it clashes with Islam directly, which is why we don't want to sing it. We love our country, but we can't worship it. Charu.
Yes, I wanted to respond to that. Can I?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So, कभी-कभी मुझको ऐसे लगता है that logic died in irony, like I said, with these parties, because who was the president of Congress at the time before independence when Vande Matram was introduced? It was Maulana Azad ji. Maulana Azad ji was a Muslim. Nobody can come here and question his religion. He was a devout Muslim, but he was also a devout nationalist. And it was under his presidency that Vande Matram, the entire unabridged full version of it, was sung at every single Congress meeting before independence. You know when this changed? It changed only after Nehruji became president of the Congress. Then they started their appeasement politics from that time. And before Nehruji, it was always a permanent part. So are you trying to say that all the Muslims who were a part of India's struggle for independence, including Maulana Azad ji, were not Muslim enough? I'm sorry. This argument doesn't hold ground anywhere. And ये देश संविधान से चलेगा, उम्मा से नहीं चल सकता.
Okay. Asif Ansari, would you want to come in here?
Well, Shreya, I was listening carefully to Charu. Okay, so congratulations, Charu, that the BJP has got a clear mandate in West Bengal and you form a government. Heartiest congratulations to you. But I just simply wants to understand that why it's been so selective and it is so palpable to see that targeting a particular religious sentiments of Muslim. This was the real manifesto of the BJP of coming to the West Bengal, because their manifesto was the development. My straight questions to you is reciting Bande Mataram in a madrasa will make a 3 trillion economies to the West Bengal. West Bengal was always considered as the poorest state, one of the poorest state of
Yes,
India.
it will.
Why?
And I will
Yes,
tell you
it
how.
was
Yes.
there. It was there. So there are many things which can be taking a corrective measure if you find that it is not that reciting a namaz, offering a namaz on road, because it has been always said that there is a scarcity of masjid and not the places, though they are offering namaz on a roadside. The corrective measure will be taken by the Muslim community to make a bigger places where the obstruction should not be there, because that is the Islamic teaching that the road should not be obstructed by your devotion, that the roadway should be clear. That is a real part of teaching of Islam. So we totally accept this and welcome all this process by the West Bengal government. But again, the bone of contention is that reciting a Bande Mataram, because there are some lines which are really objectionable, as you have shown in your screen, that Durga Tumi Darshana Darani, means you are the Durga bearer, 10 weapons. Then the second line, Kamala Kamala Dala Virani, you are the Lakshmi moving upon the lotus petal. The third line is Vani Vidhani, you are the Saraswati giving the knowledge. We accept and we totally respect all the goddesses, because Bengal has always been performed and they are always respected the goddess. If you see, the most of the women goddesses have been worshipped mostly in compared to the India side. If you see, Lakshmi has been puja, you see Durga Puja, if you see Mahalaya Puja, if you see all these pujas. Let me just finish. Give me one sentence. If there should be any reformation in the Vande
Can I
Mataram,
please
that
respond
these two lines should not be recited in the
Asif, the
madrasa.
problem is this.
Let madrasa people to recite Vande Mataram. Let madrasa people to recite. Let edit
Lekin
this